today's topic will be accessories, the things you might need when you have a crochet project. Let's start to talk about the crocheting hooks. There is many types in material and how the handle looks and stuff like that. I will show you a couple of them. This is a metal one with a flat surface where you can keep your thumb and index finger. A similar one is made out of plastic, also with a flat surface for thumb and index finger. Then I have 3 different types with a handle. This one has a flat, it's not a round one, so it's flat. It also has a metal hook part. Also this one with a flat handle. And here I have the round ones. Sometimes you can find a wooden crocheting hooks as well. It all depends on what your preferences is. Some metal or wood will slide nicer in the yarn, and it will be easier for you to crochet with. When it comes to crocheting amigurumi, you need to keep the pieces together when you attach them to each other, and that is easier done with little pins. I have here longer ones with a little sort of a handle, a flat surface. Knitting needles, very good to have. Keeps the stuff in place when you attach the head to the body, and it's easier with them. Scissor, obviously, to cut the yarn. You need markers. In the beginning, it's always easy to have markers to know where your first stitch is and your last stitch, and then you can have it to mark certain areas in the amigurumi where you want to put the eyes, or where your round starts, to keep track of the stitches you're making. You can use safety pins, a bobby pin. It's actually very good. And there is markers that you can buy in a craft store or yarn store. They have different looks. They work the same. Just pick the one you like. And needles. You need needles to sew the pieces together. Here is one with a larger eye, a little bit thicker. I use it for thick yarns. And I have smaller ones, thinner ones. All these have a sharp tip. I prefer the ones with a sharp tip, but you can use the one with a blunt tip as well. I have one here with a bended tip as well. Sometimes it's easier to, scoop in underneath the stitches. And if you like this video, please remember to support me by clicking the button and press subscribe so you don't miss on the next video.